Hi, this is JB Lennox and welcome back to my channel. And we are here in the wonderful neighborhood. We're in San Antonio, Texas right now, right? And I believe we're in Rainbow Hills. Now, this is a wonderful neighborhood that you see around. Really quiet, really lovely. There is an open house and we are about to go check it out. It's a 5-bedroom house and it is on the market. It's really great priced. So we're gonna go walk in, we're gonna explore it. It is beautiful. And I wanna give you more of an insight of what a 5-bedroom house is like and what comes along with it here in San Antonio. So, hey, let's go take a look. Now, it's beautiful, it's bright, it's sunny, and the neighborhood is so beautiful here. Now let's keep on walking and let's get going. So, the open house, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm already loving it. So, has some palm trees. Oh, lovely. So here, I'll update you with the next video.